In this video, I'll explain how to solve all problems with your iPhone screen freezing. If you're encountering these issues, I'll guide you through solving them yourself in just a few minutes. It won't take long and you won't lose any data on your iPhone. This method won't require formatting your device. If you're unsure how to tackle this issue, follow along with this video and I'll show you how to do it on your own. The first thing you need to do is go to the iTunes website and download the iTunes version suitable for your computer. If your machine is 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. If it's 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. If you're uncertain about your device's version, you should check it on your computer. Then right-click and select the last option. Here you will see the system type number. If it's 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. And if it's 64-bit, download the 64-bit version. After downloading iTunes, ensure you connect your iPhone to the computer and that it syncs with this version of iTunes as shown here. After you connect your phone to the computer and it syncs, we'll move on to the second and final step, visiting this website. The website link will be provided in the description. Download the free version. Once you've downloaded and installed it on your computer, the program will look like this. Your only task is to select this option. Don't alter anything else or select any other options because it might format your device. Within this option, you'll encounter two choices, enter and exit. After confirming your iPhone is connected to iTunes, click the Accessed option. Of course, I'm not connecting my device right now. There are no issues. Once you've selected this option, wait a few seconds and the problem will be resolved. Your iPhone will restart. If this process doesn't solve your issue, the first thing you should do is select Enter, then Exit. Initially, just select Exit after connecting your device to the computer. If it doesn't work the first time, wait a minute or two. If it still doesn't work, select Enter, then Exit. Don't do both at the same time. First select Enter, wait 3 minutes, then select Exit. However, the most important step is to ensure your iPhone is connected to the computer. This concludes today's guide. I hope you found it useful and learned something from it.